First, tibialis raise. The tendon of the tibialis must go up very strictly, okay? Without equipment is the first choice. Straight knees, tension on the quadriceps tendon and the patella tendon, also tension on the Achilles tendon, you know? Twist also for the tendons of the tibialis anterior. It's an easier variation, it's a good warm up, okay? Straight leg stretch, gestreckte Knie, straight knees. Calf raise for the gastrocnemius. The straight knee is very important. Straight leg stretch. Because the rotation, the end rotation of the knee must lock the knee to bring tension on the patella tendon also, okay? This is the Polygon Step Up on a famous fitness coach. You see, with that steep angle of the foot, I bring many tension to my patella tendon, and it's a good angle of attack for the Achilles tendon to work. Very important, bring the weight on your heel. Full weight on the heel and press. Okay? Also, calf raise with a steep angle. In this angle of attack, we have the soleus muscle and not the gastrocnemius muscle. Okay, it's very important for the ankle to work in this manner. To bring tension on the tibialis tendon, I do this tibialis raise in this manner. Very important, straight leg stretch to keep the knee locked and to bring end rotation. With this end rotation I get a relaxation of the patella tendon and tension on the quadriceps tendon. Okay? Very important, straighten the knee. 10% body weight in kilograms is a good recommendation. 8 kilograms and 20 reps. Also a good workout and very important is to strengthen the feet in this manner. To press the feet down to the bottom. The most important exercise is pulling the sled backwards. You must see first the toes, the knees have to go far away to bring stretch on these tendons and relaxation on the Achilles tendon. And then you can pull with your legs. All times pull with the feet. The feet. You must see. This action from the feet brings much space in the tendons of the hamstrings with the semitendinosus and the biceps here. These tendons get stretched and get much power and they're all time under tension. That's very important for the short muscles, for the short tendons in the foot, okay? The same is also in forward. With that angle, the foot and the tendons of the foot must work very hard. And with this, we get a very good mobility for the ankles. This angle of attack is not the same like in running or like in stretching here. When you're going with the sled forward, you always rotate your tibia and your fibula against the femur here. And with this stretch exercise, you get a rotation, a strong rotation on the joint of the ankle to the knee. And that brings a lot of stretch in these tendons, also in these tendons. And they work together because the Golgi tendon organ inhibits the other angle of the attack of the feet, okay? Finger tendons. One important thing is to bring the water binding ability for the tendons in the finger is an easy way to grip, only to grip on time. You see, I have straight arms, straight elbows, locked elbows, and open my fingers. Very strong. And with this ability, I bring much force on the tendons. And the tendons get, with these high repetitions, a good fluid and get good in motion. And with this motion, the water binding ability goes up in the tendons. Okay? I can do this for shoulder injuries and something where it's not painful, only in the fingers. Okay? To see a straight angle here or up.